Silver against US dollar this week has lost its value. The week started with this small indecision candle, with the wick on the lower side much larger than it is on the upper side, which means selling pressure was pushing the price down. Then the price in the next day returned to the support level. We can see that bouncing back up and then continue to lose its value on a Wednesday. Thursday, trying to move further down, trying to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, but unsuccessfully. Then the price returned back up, and we can see the price was jumping up and down around this area. The weekly time frame shows us it is a bearish week there, where the price has closed the week with this candle, but not going further down below this area of support, which is also very good information. But currently it is indecision between the buyers and the sellers. On the monthly time frame, we can see this month has closed as a bullish candle, but it is in between this resistance and the support level, just in between. So it is floating, which means the fight between the buyers and the sellers. Where the price could go in the next month, well, currently it is very hard for me to determine where the price is heading. It is pretty unclear, so it's better to stay away from this area and wait for a clear signal. The weekly time frame shows me a similar scenario where the price did not reach any kind of support or resistance. It is in between, so it is also showing me something indecision on the market. The daily time frame currently shows me the price is trying to move further down, losing its value. We can see that several attempts to move below this area of support. So we can see it is much more stronger as it is much stronger as selling pressure than it is currently buying pressure going further up. But this area of demand zone, when the buys are waiting, is also a strong one, which is not allowing the price from reaching lower levels. 4-hour time frame currently shows me we have a bearish breakout below this area of support, and we can see the price returning back up. So currently the only one that is a 4-hour time frame is currently that is a small bearish momentum that has entered into the market, and no other of the time frames is showing me a clear information. So this means for me to stay away from this symbol to see where the price will go in the future week. Let's go one day by day to see how the price will behave around this area of support. If there is a strong bearish breakout going below this area of support, it will target the next support level at 32.47. When this breakout happens, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so also you can check and feel free to join if you would like to receive these updates during the week. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.